So yeah, I wrote this one at work at lunchtime because I was bored and I eat too fast. I think I'm gonna call it "Hello, Miss" or something like that. We'll see where this goes. Oh, I'm about to start in a little bit. I think, yeah. So here we go. Please pardon my premonition, you're the subject of my vision, the radiant star on my horizon, dewdrops in the morning, first blossom of the daffodils, trade winds as I set sail, full grapes on the vine, mountain breeze when I inhale, a kiss in the noonday, a cruise on the highway, a complimentary piece of heaven on the daily. She's beauty, I mean the explicit definition of beauty. He said pursue, but I transcended the line to idolatry. Now hit the rewind. When we met for the first time, even after service, couldn't get her out of my mind, and I tried to forget, but I failed in that attempt. So I pray to God that he might reveal his will and intent. Pursue, I'm off to the races. Observed her, she's so gracious. Spirit is amazing, rooted in Christ, so her person seems illuminated. My heart has been captivated. I haven't seen the physical, but her spiritual's recorded in Ruth. That's what I got so far. So yeah, let me know what you think, and criticize, alright? Peace.